Hi there! This time I'm taking you on vacation to Italy. And to get by bus to the nearest airport in Lisbon or in Porto, we need around 4 hours, as we live quite far from the benefits of civilization. We are using metro in Porto. It's a convenient way to get to the airport. A few hours of a flight delay and we are almost on board. 3 hours and we are in Rome. Buongiorno da Roma. We've got a room with a great terrace. And now let's pick up our car from a rental company. Hopefully it is Fiat 500. Well, it is something around Fiat, but looks like more smart for two, right? If you rent a car, I'd highly recommend you to film the condition of a car when you pick it up, so the company will not have a possibility to charge you for some already existing scratches. And here we are, a famous Colosseum looks out from the tree. A Roman forum. We were seeing the landmarks from a distance, saving some money for pasta and pizza. And this is the reality of Trevi Fountain. Did you know that each year over 1 million euros ends up in the water of this monument? The municipality of Rome uses this money to help poor and needy. Great decision. Our stopover for desired pizza and pasta. Pizza quattro formaggi was delicious. But pasta wasn't that good. We'll be lucky next time. It has started raining, but on our must-see list was Vatican City, and it was 3 kilometers on foot. As we were walking, the guy who was selling umbrellas on the street started following us. Well, under his pressure, we gave up and bought 2 umbrellas. Here it is. Vatican is the smallest country in the world with an area of only 0.44 square meters and a population of 825 people. We were already exhausted and not ready to wait in that long line. This is how we spent a day in Rome. Our next travel destination is Toscana. See you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.